Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog from the water. Today we're in a small Danish river in search of the first sea-run trout, sea-run brown trout on the foam fly. Or today I'm gonna try to get some action on the upstream sea trout nymphs as well. This is something I started out last year, but I think I'm gonna do quite a lot of this year because they seem to be, that was just a small one, seem to be quite efficient. So especially in particular for the deeper holding spots in the curves and bends of the river. So we're gonna try that out today. A lot of sun, nice weather, a bit windy, but that's okay as well. We have a lot of things on our to-do list in regards to videos today. So I'm gonna try to do as much as I can of these vlogs, but vlog as much as possible. But the main focus when we're out on the water is, of course, to get the right shots on the not the real camera, but with Stefan. So these vlogs are basically just, you know, some rantings from the water. Watch them if you like. But I'm gonna continue searching for the elusive sea trout. It's looking good. A good friend of mine caught one here yesterday, so I'm very positive. I think today is gonna be the day where I get the first one of the season. There's a lot of sun today, right?
Yes.
Yeah. It's nice. It's nice to be out here in the river valley.
Yeah.
We fished quite a decent stretch of water now. We haven't seen anything.
Not anything to write home about.
No. Only some very wee ones, but we have probably the best stretch ahead of us. There are 3 and 4 curves of the river up here that are absolutely phenomenal. So we still have faith in finding a fish, but
it's usually the place we find the fish today is where we don't have anything.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's early. Yeah. It's a gamble. It is.
But it's lovely just to be here.
To be out here.
Yeah. Fishing for sea trout in the rivers. Probably one of my favorites.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Well, it was another one of those trips where we didn't catch anything, Stefan.
Well, it was a gamble.
Yeah. It was a bit of a gamble, but any time spent fishing is better than not fishing. So it was nice being out there, but again, as we said, it's still early. So we hope for that big shiny fish, and they probably were there. We just didn't manage to catch them. I thought though I was fishing, I was fishing really well, and I had the feeling that any time now I would catch one, but regardless, it didn't happen today. So we got some good, nice video that can be used in a lot of different projects though, and overall just a great day on the water. Also, right now we have a competition at Nordic Anglers. So if you order for more than, I think it's 67 euros, it's 400 Danish kroner. If you calculate that into euros, then if you spend more than that in the shop, you automatically enter a competition to win a free NAM rod of your choosing. So you can basically pick whatever NAM rod you like, and if you're the lucky winner, we will ship it to you. So now is a good time to swing by Nordic Anglers and get some gear if of course if you're in need of anything. I think that about sums it up for now. Next week we're going salmon fishing. We have a really large salmon fishing project on how to start with how to embark on salmon fishing. So stay tuned for that one as well. Otherwise, I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to click the bell and subscribe and all that stuff. We have to say it, That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, good luck out on the water.